By watching this video, you will be able to identify foolproof, best, sustainable and profitable business. Identify foolproof, best, sustainable and profitable business. Prepare business plan A, B, C, D. If business plan A not work, switch to plan B. Switch to another foolproof, best, sustainable, profitable business whenever required. Identify livelihood, either government job or private job or unskilled job or skilled job, constitutional post, entrepreneurial job, etc. Non-professional to professional, non-vocational to vocational, non-educational to educational, non-constitutional to constitutional, non-entrepreneurial to entrepreneurial, non-entrepreneurial to entrepreneurial. Theory and practice, knowledge and application, vocational education, professional education, self-employment, self-dependent. If you work like rock, not learn new things, then there would be no any growth. And if you flow like a river and every moment you learn new things, then there would be tremendous growth in your business. Entrepreneur, noun, entrepreneurial, adjective, lead, verb, identify business, prepare business proposal, prepare business process, constantly improve and update, webinar, principles, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, universalization of education. Psychology is the study of mind and behavior. Constitutional mind, entrepreneur behavior. Anti-constitutional mind, criminal behavior. Controlling mind and emotions. Rainbow Universal School Rush, Rainbow Universal School Rush, Rainbow Website Designing Company RWDC, Rainbow Website Designing Company RWDC. Here this institution's name given with the psychology because the knowledge we gain during study of psychology can be applied maximum apply in these institutions. Rainbow Universal School Rush, Rainbow Universal School Rush, Rainbow Website Designing Company RWDC, Rainbow Website Designing Company RWDC. Sociology is the study of group, community and society. For Rainbow organizations, institutions, research, action and networking junction of information and technology RANJIT, research, action and networking junction of information and technology RANJIT, संविधान अनुपालन समिति CCC, Constitution Compliance Committee CCC. The knowledge we gain during study of sociology can be applied in these organizations. Political science is the study of government, public processes and political behavior for representation. लोकतांत्रिक प्रतिनिधित्व गठबंधन, डेमोक्रेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन अलायंस DRA, एंटी करप्शन डायनामिक पार्टी ACDP. So knowledge we received, we gained during the study of political science can be applied in these organizations. entrepreneur characteristics, a tireless work ethics, competitiveness, confidence, creativity, determination, discipline, open mindedness, people skills, self motivation. Elements of entrepreneurship: conduct market research, draft a business plan, fund the business, select a good long-term business location, settle on a legal structure, name the business, register the business with local and state authorities, secure state and federal tax IDs, apply for any permits and licenses, open a business bank account. Executive summary, client operations, cost summary, contract and terms, benefits, project management, production, marketing, services, distribution, component, feasibility study, infrastructure, inventory, components, stages, process, elements. Business ideas, sectors: medical, law, information and technology, construction, industry, agriculture, fisheries, dairy, poultry, technical. Various sector categories listed in NSC and BSc, etc. So you can get the various sector which you can identify for your business from the website of the NSC and money control website. Various business sector on money control websites. Category of cost and category of cost and benefit analysis, type of cost and price analysis, economic financial analysis, type of business analysis. There are several topics like this, and you can explore by searching on Google Image, on YouTube and various other websites. Business proposal. A term of business proposal is a written offer from a seller to a prospective sponsor. Business proposals are often a key step in the complex sale process. Example: whenever a buyer considers more than a price in a purchase, a proposal puts the buyer requirements in a context that favor the seller's products and services and educates the buyer about the capabilities of seller in satisfying their needs. Contains: 1. Type of proposals. 1. Informally solicited proposal. Informally solicited proposal. Unsolicited proposal. Informally solicited proposal. Informally solicited proposal are typically the result of conversation held between a vendor and a prospective customer. The customer is interested enough in a product or service to ask for a proposal. Typically, the customer does not ask for competing proposal from other vendors. This type of proposal is known as sole source proposal. There are no formal requirements to respond, but they choose good quality of products. Unsolicited proposal. Unsolicited proposal are marketing brochures. They are always generic with no direct connection between customer needs or specified requirements. Vendor use them to introduce products or services to a prospective customer. They are often used as level behinds at the end of initial meeting with our customer, or giveaways at trend shows or other public meetings. They are not designed to close a sale, just introduce the responsibility of sale. So, type of proposals: in formally solicited proposal, unsolicited proposal. Components: formally solicited proposal, informally solicited business proposal. Managing business proposal, the process of proposal management. Proposal writing: internal proposal, sole source contract, format, title. Abstract statement and method. Budget, biographical information, sponsor values, application credibility. Proposal logics, proposal psychologies. See also reference, credit reference, general reference. Type of proposal: formally solicited, informally solicited, unsolicited. Required for proposal: request for proposal, request for quotation, invitation for bid, request for information solicited proposal, unsolicited proposal. Formally solicited proposal, informally solicited proposal. Managing business proposal, the process of proposal management. Creator, editor, publisher, administrator, consumer. Proposal writing: internal proposals, sole source contract, format, title, abstract, statement and method, budget, biographical information, sponsor values, application credibility, applicant credibility, proposal logics, proposal psychologies. See also bidding, call for bid, construction, bidding, procurement, proposal, theme statement, pre-sales, offer and acceptance. Business research topic, best idea for business papers. Why this list of business research topics? Controversial business topics: free market capitalism, lower minimum wage and job creation. Would a minimum wage trap people in poverty? Is outsourcing an ethical practice? Outsourcing theories versus findings. Internal business topics. International business topics. Surveying international competitions, a critical analysis of the strategic measures employed by local companies. International investment, the importance of educating the public on the benefit of international investment. Business to see the importance of instituting and implementing environmentally friendly approaches, transforming small local business into widely recognized international brands. Human resources, effective strategies for maintaining largely diverse organization. Branding, effective strategies to provide a competitive advantage for international business. Business proposal topics. Economic problem, possible initiative to protect small businesses. American business sector, possible solution to the decline of trust. Local businesses, providing necessary support to avoid suffocation by huge chains. Global unemployment strategies and solution to the problem of unemployment. Stakeholders, their impact on the success of the business. Employee motivation and its effect on employee performance. Business speech topic. How to think and plan strategically. Interpersonal and family relations. How to make a sell pitch. How to move your business a generation ahead. Reducing and resolving conflict in family business. Leadership development and its importance. Business law topics. Bankruptcy, fraud, illegal identification method, sexual harassment, lawsuits, it avoidance within the company, trade sectors, when does it become too secretive? UK business law, a review of legal standing and protection of creditors, foreign entity registration, a comparative review of legal guidelines and implication for foreign business and in the UK and Europe. Trademark infringement, possible defense to this offense. E-commerce practices, US legal implication on the workforce. Data privacy laws, their impact on business opportunities. Business ethics topics. Gender discrimination, a close investigation of its impact on employee performance in an organization. Organizational environmental pollution, a critical look at its effect on consumer trust levels. Labor abuse, analyzing its ramification repercussions in the construction sector. Profit seeking a critical evaluation of its impact and product quality. Advertisement, an expository study of the effect of misleading advertisement on consumer trust. Gift giving by pharmaceutical representatives, any string attached. Business ethics, a philosophical approach. Ethical issue in governing a corporation. Ethical conflict, avoiding religious, political and cultural arguments at work. Business communication topics, the effect of internal business communication on the external image of a business, the impact of interactive online communication on public relation outcomes. Interpersonal communication, the influence of cultural and interpersonal dialogue. The impact of computer mediated interaction. Business communication, exploring different medium and channel for effective communication in business. The effect of interaction, information exchange on the closing business deals. Business negotiation, a language centered activity. Symmetrical dialogue, a critical look at the process involved business negotiation. Style in intercultural dialogue, exploring the difference between business communication and general communication. Business research topics for MBA students. Organizational cultural and its influence on innovative management. Environmental issue and their effect on business management in the world today. Leadership skill and its impact on organizational control. And analytical overview of investment strategies. The influence of online marketing on startups. Direct marketing versus creative marketing. The power of advertising on consumer behavior. The impact of employee turnover on organizational profit. Globalization and its impact on small scale industries. The e-commerce industry and its effect on the world today. Business management research topic, employee benefit and its effect on employee productivity. The intricacia of managing conflict in the work team. Startup, a look into the issue that occur during business startups. Excessive work, business consequences. The involving nature of a work team in meeting the requirement of the future. Leadership strategies and inter-organizational network. Product and service improvement in the strategic partnership. How to manage crisis in an organization. Impact of total quality management practices on customer retention and satisfaction. Effect, time management as a tool of organizational survival. Business informative speech topic, ergonomics in the workspace. How desk, chair and tables affect physical process for sedentary why there are corporate loans and social grants for women startups, standard in creative and financial accounting, what is right or wrong, copyright protection, the what, the why and the when, outstanding, third parties, when, why and how, why you have to back up trade secrets with a signed confidential agreement, what are the types of insurance, the 24 hours economy, how to manage risk, upper pressure, benefits of human resources and how to develop social skills, how safety programs and working conditions relate to productivity. Business persuasive speech topics. Your business will fail if you lack social intelligence. Why you need both short and long term goals in business, why you need both short and long term goals in business, why introverts could make better entrepreneurs, why you must have a business plan, business mentors, why every business person need one, the secret in sending past client thoughtful gift, social media, why you should take full advantage of it for your business, placing high value in exercise than qualifications, parenting, why new fathers should also get paid a time off to help with the baby, why get instinct is still essential in hiring. Business debate topics. Multinational doing more harm than good, corporate job a new form of salary, stock market is it related to gambling, an MBA will not make you a good business leader, an MBA will not make you a good business leader, an MBA is worth the cost, business and politics, should they be mixed, should the world run on the cashless economy, cryptocurrencies are they reliable in business, advertisement profitable to business, women better business manager than men. How a feasibility study can benefit your projects. Feasibility, 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 how a feasibility study can benefit your projects. Free project proposal template. Overview. What is feasibility study? Feasibility study characteristics and best practices. The study also provide many other benefits including: 1. Is this plan technically feasible? Is this plan legal? 3. Is this plan operationally feasible? 4. Is this plan feasible within a responsible period of time? 4. Is this plan feasible within a reasonable period of time? This is one of the most important question. Do you have a time to complete this project? It's important that you establish a realistic project schedule or project completion. Otherwise, you will find yourself dropping the ball on the deadline and quality for your deliverables. 5. Is this plan economically feasible? Is this plan economically feasible? Projected feasibility, the total cost of completion, estimated investment, outside partner. How to conduct a feasibility study? Step 1. Conduct the preliminary analysis. 1. Create an idea outline to assess the market space for this project. 3. Examine your competitive advantage. 4. Determine the risk of the project. Step 2. Create project scope outline. Step 3. Perform your market research. The 5 key benefit of market research are: Step 4. Calculate the financial cost. Step 5. Review your research and present your finding to the project's stakeholder. The final step before moving to the execution phase. Fool.com, how a feasibility study can benefit your projects. Overview, what is feasibility test? Feasibility study characteristics and best practices. The study also provide many other benefits include: 1. Is this plan technically feasible? 1. Is this plan technically feasible? 2. Is this plan legal? 2. Is this plan legal? 3. Is this plan operationally feasible? 3. Is this plan operationally feasible? 4. Is this plan feasible within the reasonable period of time? 4. Is this plan feasible within a reasonable period of time? 4. Is this plan feasible within a reasonable period of time? 5. Is this plan economically feasible? Is this plan economically feasible? How to conduct a feasibility study? Step 1. Conduct a preliminary analysis. Step 1. Conduct the preliminary analysis. 1. Create an idea outline. 2. Assess the market space for this project. 3. Examine your competitive advantage. 4. Determine the risk of the project. Step 3. Create a project scope outline. Step 3. Perform your market research. The 5 key benefit of market research. 1. Identification of the market opportunity for your project, new customers, additional users, etc. Though focus group survey and potential clients interview. 2. Insight into your competition, including their product, services, marketing choice, client basis, etc. 3. Information on the market for your project, including the size and need of your potential clients. 4. Conclusion on whether or not this project has succeeded in the past, what it cost to complete, and what success look like. 5 insight on the best way to execute a project, such as time frame, the required personal and even management style. I mentioned a few ways to conduct market search research in my benefit list, but here is more comprehensive list of methods. Focus group, surveys, personal interviews, customer expert, etc. Observation of the organization, social media listing, great for researching marketing method, public domain data. Whichever method you choose, be sure that your research answer and 5 reasonable questions once questions done. Pro tip: remember that focus group and interview provide more subject data than other methods like surveys, social media listing, and public domain data. Try to gather a mix of subjective and objective data when performing your market research. 4. Calculate the financial cost. 5. Review your research and present your finding to the project stakeholder. The final step before moving to the execution phase. Once you have presented to your stakeholder and get the green light, that's it. You are ready to start the execution phase of your project. Execution phase of your project. If you want to learn more about the project management process, be sure to read my guideline, top 5 step of the project management process. The 5 core steps for the project management process. At a glance, step to follow in the project management process. Step 1: initiating and conceptualization. Step 2: planning and ideation. Execution, monitoring, closing. About project proposal template. Proposal template. How are few points that impressed me about this sample template. Below are the links of various type of proposal packets: business proposals, grant proposals, professional proposals, general proposals, and tools. Starting from blank page and trying to reinvent the wheel in just not worth the time and travels. Project proposal. Project title. Provision of accounting and payroll services prepared by. Description. Table of contents. Executive summary, client operation, cost summary, contract and terms, benefit, project management. executive summary, the objective, the goals, the solution, client operations, cost summary, initial account step up, ongoing monthly cost, daily account reconciliation, standard disclaimer, contract and terms, completion of initial step, 50% payment at contract sign, 50% payment at conversion completion, any other initial balance owing, monthly fees due, open receipt of monthly invoice, net 15 days, quarterly yearly fee will be billed on monthly invoice, net 15 days, special additional reports will be billed in itemized on monthly invoice, minimum terms of the contract, cancellation, payments, benefits, project management, proposal template, business proposal, grant proposal, professional proposal, grant proposal, and tools. Writing a successful proposal, summary, organization information, problem, need, situation description, work plan, specific activities, who is the target audience and how will you involve them in the activity, how many people do you initiate to serve, what are you going to do, what project planning has already taken place, who is going to do the work and what are their credentials, when will the project take place, where will the project take place, outcomes, impact of activities, other funding, future funding, evaluation, budget, expenses, personal expenses, direct project expenses, administrative or overhead expenses, project expenses, direct project expenses, administrative or overhead expenses, income, earned income, contributed income, earned income, contributed income, expenses, supplementary materials, a copy of your IRS letter declaring your organization tax exempted, a list of your board of directors and their affiliations, a financial statement from your last completed fiscal year, a budget for your current fiscal year, a budget for the next fiscal year. Putting it all together, various variations on the standard outline, small project proposal, problem based project, general operating proposal, capital and endorsement proposal, small request, non problem based project, general operating proposal, organization information, situation description, work plan, specific activity, impact on activities, other fundings, future funding, evaluation, budget, capital or endowment proposal. Startup sample business plan. Table of contents. 1. Executive summary. Objective, mission and vision, keys of success, startup cost and funding, company ownership, products and services, market strategy, management, financial, investor consideration, disclaimer. 2. Company summary. Startup summary, startup funding, company ownership. 3. Product and services, business model, comparative leadership. 4. Market analysis summary, market segments, target market segment strategy. 5. Strategy and implementation summary, SWOT analysis, SWOT, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. SWOT analysis, SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities, threat. Strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. Strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. SWOT analysis. 5.2 competitive edge. 3. Sales strategy, sales forecast. 4. Milestones. 5.5 marketing strategy. 5.6 pricing strategy. 5.7 sourcing strategy. 5.8 location and facilities. 6. Management summary. 6.8 personal plan. 7. Financial plan. Financial plan. 7.1 break even analysis. 7.2 projected profit and loss. 7.3 projected cash flow. 7.4 projected balance sheet. 7.5 business rotation. 7.6 long term plan. 7.7 important assumption. 7.7.1 risk, entry strategy, investor interest, exit strategy. Executive summary, organization summary, market analysis, strategy and implementation, management summary, financial plan appendix. Executive summary, organization summary, market analysis, strategy and implementation, management summary, financial plan, appendix. Executive summary, problem, concept, mission, theory of change, management team, market analysis, financial plan, operation, incorporation, organization summary, key elements of success, dedicated mentors, effective campus leaders, web-based platform, value proposition, measuring performance, project proposal format. Note 1. Project proposal should be exact 10 pages excluding the attachment, cover sheet and the table of contents. 2. Please forward project proposal to 3. Please ensure that all the requested information is provided. The project proposal should contain following: 1. Cover sheet. Please use the attached cover page format. 2. Table of contents. 3. Executive summary. 4. Organization. This information will be provided by the International Office and Grant Funding Unit. Please describe your organization and address each of the point below: mission, goals and mandates of your organization, structure of organization, ownership of the organization, partners for this project and their role of the project if applicable, institution impacted, impact on the non-university territorial education sector, impact on national development. 5. Project description, background. Overall purpose, objective of the project. 6. Project work plan. 7. Human resources. 8. Project site, geographic, physical, virtual, other. Projects. 8. Project site, geographic, physical, virtual, other. 9. Project monitoring. 9. Project monitoring, process reporting. 9. Project monitoring, process reporting. This section should contain description of how the organization will monitor the progress of the outcome of the project and its contribution to indicator achievement. 10. Proposed budget. Your proposal should include a detailed budget, justification, explain and estimate for each line item. If applicable, support from collaborating agency and other funding sources that contribute directly to the project should be intimated in the budget by source, amount and duration. 11. Attachment. There is no limit to the number of pages allowed for the attachments. Documentation for other funding agency, letter of agreements with the partners for the project, letters of support for the community groups or organization, You may also forward copies of other materials that may assist the project selection committee in considering your application. Project proposal, name of the organization, e-office version updated, number of office users, place of hosting. E-office, a digital work solution. Project proposal, name of the organization, user department, e-office version updated, office premium, number of office user 300, place of hosting national data center, Shastri Park, NDCSP, National Informatics Center Service, INC. E-office project proposal, table of contents, introduction, proposed solution and its cost estimate, assessment, detail of the project, solution, cost estimate, technology used, implementation approach, deliverable and support, time frame and milestone, 5 role and responsibilities. 5.1 NICSI responsibility, 5.2 NIC responsibilities, 5.3 users responsibility, 6 general terms and conditions, 7 terms of use of e-office product, 8 post implementation support, annexure A, format for acceptance, project proposal and soft trial, annexure B, format for commencement certificate, C, format for completion certificate, D, office standard costing model, annexure E, office template and guidelines, annexure E, task to be performed by user department of e-office hosting at SDC or LDC, Annex G, e-office rollout activity checklist. E-office project proposal 1, introduction, 2, proposed solution and its cost estimate, handbook of business planning, the tools you need to profitably build your business and make a difference. Biz Plan Builder, handbook of business planning, trademarks, copyrights, importance notice, publisher disclaimer, limited you are about to blow shock of your bankers, investor and everyone else. Table of contents. Contents of Biz Plan Builder, acknowledgement, magazine, your step X step of financing system, business organization and financing checklist, for investor and leader, getting started guide, Windows system requirements, downloading instructions, online quick tour tutorial, installing from a CD. Before you begin, how to use this system, login, document management system. To upgrade your plans, made from Biz Plan Builder, choosing the right Jane products and its components, select your base plan, choose the selection of to include user information form, user permissions, renaming a section, increasing your work area, print or review, writing your plan, open, editing the narrative, assemble and print. SME Zone business proposal. One company profile. SMS Zone highlights few of our prestigious customers. Services information. SMS Zone services at a glance. Services information. Outgoing SMS 10 lakh, 12 paisa, 15 paisa, 2 rupees. 5 lakh, 15 paisa, 18 paisa, 2.50 rupees. Start trial package 2001 SMS 999, 5001 SMS 1999, 10,001 SMS 2999 SMS. Incoming services. A short code, B virtual number, C long code and missed call service. Forwarding service. Forwarding are various forwarding service offered. Forward email, forward SMS or password miscalled. Standard toll free miss call back. Additional services, toll free SMS and email alert, toll free regional routing, click to call website integer. Other digital marketing service, voice call, OBD, email marketing, search engine marketing. Thank you. Business plan templates for startup business. Table of content. Confidentiality agreement. 1 instruction executive summary 2 instruction company description description worksheet. 3 instruction product and services description worksheet. 4 instruction marketing plan SWOT analysis worksheet. Competitor data collection plan competitive analysis worksheet. Marketing expenses strategy chart. Pricing strategy worksheet. Distribution channel assessment worksheet. 5 instruction operation plan. 6 instruction management and organization management worksheet organization chart. 7 instruction startup expenses and capitalization 7 instruction startup expenses and capitalization. 8 instruction financial plan. 9 instruction appendix. 10 instruction refining the plan. Net what we are almost finished. Feasibility studies and business proposal for value added agricultural project. Feasibility studies and business plans for value added agricultural projects. Feasibility study title page, table of content, list of figures, list of tables, executive summary, introduction, current production and use of produced product, production feasibility, marketing feasibility, technical feasibility, financial analysis, management feasibility, economic impact of the project, identify and limit of constraints, conclusion, recommendation, reference, appendix, business plan, table of contents, executive summary, statement of objective, the company, product, marketing analysis, business strategy and implementation, sale management and ownership, financial analysis, financial data, conclusion and summary, attached documents. Feasibility study. The purpose of the feasibility study is to examine critical opportunities and obstacles that might make or break the proposed business. The feasibility study should give the group a good idea of whether the proposed project is likely to be successful as a business. The feasibility study must be completed by an independent consultant who is recognized as having expertise to complete a study. Title page, table of contents, list of figures, list of tables, executive summary. This is a summarized version of the feasibility study, so it must adequately cover the major points of the feasibility study in 1 or 2 pages. Introduction, justification, study objective. The study objectives and scope of study will usually be set forth in the request for proposed and or a consultant proposal copy of the study. Current production and use of produced products. US production. What is the current US production? Some production history and future production expectation as well as historical pricing trends. Foreign production. Since we are operating in a global economy, foreign production history and future trends should be discussed. Consumption pattern and trends, discuss historical, present and future consumption pattern and trends. New user for products, regional consumption patterns. If the production is targeted to a local and or a regional markets, discuss the local or and or regional markets and projected trends. Availability of raw materials. As no product can be produced without raw materials, discuss their availability, historical, present and future if possible. Can area production sustain production needs? Discuss competitive disadvantage. What makes your product more desirable or more sellable than that of the competitors? Production feasibility. Production site. Does the potential site have the desired characteristics and available utilities, transportation facility, etc. for the proposed production facility? Utilities, use and availability, cost, location, competition, water and sewerage, power and fuel. Transportation, logistics, event management, tourism, hotel industry, transportation requirement, road services to the site, rail necessity and availability, air services necessity and availability, labor availability requirement and skill levels. Determine the specific quantity and type of labor required. Marketing feasibility. Determine the potential markets and marketing strategies for the products. Who are the potential customer? Is the market accessible? How will the market be accessed? What is the cost of accessing the market? How will the product be priced? Sales organization and management. Nature and extent of markets and marketing area. Existing demand, adequate projected supply. Marketing plans for sale of projected outputs. Marketing alternative. Extent of competition. Who are the competitors? Location, production capabilities. How strong are the competitors? Can they drive down margins? Are they large and intanged commitments from customer? Are can you compete with your competitor? If you cannot compete with your competitor, then there is no use of starting the same business. So you must be more competent than your competitor, or you are in a situation to sustain in the market along with the competitor. Commitment from customer, probable price of the product or services, export markets, discuss any relevant trade issues, are there foreign competitors, alternative competing products. Technical feasibility. This portion should be based on the variable data and contain sufficient information and analysis so that a determination may be made on the technical feasibility of achieving the levels of income or production that are projected in the financial statements, address the suitability of the site including site environment impact analysis provided by architect or project engineering or other independent party with the expertise necessary to the market, the determinations what are the technology need for the proposed business, other equipment needed, when and where can be technology and equipment be obtained, what does the technology and equipment cost, will the technology achieve intended income and production levels. Financial analysis. The purpose of financial analysis is to indicate the venture's potential and a timetable for financial viability. It can also serve as an operating plan for financial management of the project development cost, operating cost, fixed cost. 3-year projection becomes more necessary in business plan, income statement, cost cash flow statement, balance sheet, compare projection with industry standard, compare projection with industry standard RMS or Dun and Bradstreet list of assumptions upon which the project are based, source and uses of funds, loan repayment schedule, break even analysis, estimated return on investment, sensitivity analysis. 3. Scenario with high, medium and low projection, management feasibility. Management feasibility. Describe the requirement for the management position and responsibility for the personnel, evidence that the continuity and adequacy of management has been evaluated and documented, economic impact of the project, so the potential economic impact to the region by discussion, the impact of construction costs, sales of raw product and salaries of employees to the regions. Also discuss the effects of ancillary business and potential for additional jobs. Identity any limits or constraints, facility and design related factors, financial operation, conclusion, recommendation, a suggestion as to feasibility of the project, reference, appendix, business plan. Business plan. A business plan should include at a minimum a description of a business and project, management, experience, products and services, proposed use of funds, availability of labor, raw materials and supplies, and name of any corporate parent, affiliates and subsidiaries with a description of the relationship. Many of these items are available from a good feasibility study. Table of content, executive summary. The abbreviated version of the business plan should describe the following items in a succinct interesting manner. Succinct interesting manner. Introduction of the business and product, objective, mission statement, summary of financial statement. Statement of objectives. State the goal of objectives of the company, perhaps in bullet statement. Business goals, market share goals, sales objectives, profit objectives, the company. A short description of company, its operation and activities, company related information, the nature of the business, what the company sell, through what channel, or sell through what channel, organizational structure, the type of organizational structure, company history, product lines, products and services, location and facility. Product, discuss specific about the product of service being produced or offered, product summary and description, specify benefits of product or services, availability to meet needs, competitive advantage, competitive advantage, present stage, idea, prototype, small production runs, products life cycle, current position in its life cycle, factors that might change the anticipated life cycle, research and development activity in progress, future activities, anticipated results, research and development of others in your industry, indirect competitors. Market analysis. Information of this section should be available from the feasibility study. If one is performed, this should be an in-depth look at the markets for the product or services, industry analysis and outlook, description of industry, size of industry and future growth prospectus, industry characteristics and trends, major customer groups, target markets, identify primary market, critical needs, extent to which need are currently being met, demographics, geographical locations, purchasing decision making and influences, seasonal cycle trends, primary market size, number of prospective customers, annual purchase of products and or services meeting the same or similar need as your products or services, geographical area, project growth, competition, identify strength and weaknesses, market share, potential competitor, business strategy and implementation. Overall strategy, market penetration strategy, what makes the company special, specific market segment focus, growth strategy, internal acquisition, financial, horizontal distribution channels, original equipment manufacturers, internal sales forces, distributors, retailers, communications, promotion, advertising, public relations, personal selling, printed materials, communication. distribution channel, original equipment manufacturer, internal sales forces, distribution, retailers, communication, promotion, advertising, public relations, personal selling, printed materials. Sales strategy, sales force, internal versus independent representatives. Sales force, internal versus independent representatives. Recruitment and training. Compensations, services, method for servicing products sold, management and ownership. This section should describe the company's management, their responsibilities and expertise of each person. Management staff structure, management staff organizational chart, key managements. Complete resume should be included in appendix. Name, position, brief position description, unique skills and experience that add to the company's distinctive competencies, compensation based and levels, planned additions to the current management team if applicable, position, primary responsibility and authority, recruitment process, timing of employment, unique skill, anticipated contribution to the company's success, compensation basis and levels. Financial analysis. This section is the most difficult to forecast. To accurately predict the financial information, one must have complete and accurate production cost information, marketing cost and an estimate of predicted sales volume and growth, financial highlights, current funding requirements, amount, timing, future funding needs, amount, timing, type, equality, debt, terms, use of funds, capital expenditures, working capital, debt, retirement, acquisition. Financial data, startup cost, fixed asset acquisition schedule by the month, projections 3 to 5 year, annual statement, income by month, cash flow projection by month, balance sheet, break even chart, conclusion and summary, a statement of proposed approach in starting the new organization, state of total capital needed and safety factors used, state the expected profit and when it will be realized, indicate the organizational structure and percentage of ownership, state plan schedule for starting the business, attached documents. Sample proposal. Typical approach: situation appraisal, objective value matrix, timing, accountabilities, credentials, optional, terms and conditions, acceptance. Sample proposal 1. Proposal: assistant in recognition at situation summary, objectives, methodology, intervention, measures of success, timing. I am available, being working with you this month, and I am available to begin working with you this month, and at the moment the February 23 meeting, 23rd meeting date is one I can make. I'll suggest 90-day initial phase, after which I'd be evaluate progress in the light of the above and make an assessment as to what further assistance is necessary. Our initial project would therefore begin now and last unit April 15. Joint accountability, terms and condition, acceptance. Proposal 2. Objective, measurement, methodology, skill building managers, skill building remote location. 3. Skill building for all employees in performance appraisal, optional. 4. Integration with the performance system, optional. Timing, resource commitment, facilitation of programs will be available, rate shown under terms and condition, acceptance. In previous video we have discussed about National Institute of Open Schooling. National Institute of Open Schooling run under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and offer educational program as well as vocational education program. And now here we will discuss about NSIC, Technical Service Center, National Small Industrial Corporation Limited, Okhla Industrial Estate, Phase 3, New Delhi. 20. Online training program, serial number, training program, duration and minimum eligibility. 1. COVID aid accessory design, 30 hours, 8 pass. 2. Orientation program on advance Excel, 20 hours, 12 pass. 3. Orientation program on CCNA, 20 hours, 12 pass. 4. Orientation program on Java programming, 20 hours, 12 pass. 5. Orientation program on mobile phone repairing, 20 hours, 10th pass. 6. Orientation program on MS Office and Internet, 20 hours, 10th pass. 7. Orientation program on C programming, 20 hours, 10th pass. 8. Orientation program on big data, 20 hours, 12 pass. 9. Orientation program on R programming, 20 hours, 12 pass. 10. Orientation program on laptop repairing, 10 hour, 10 pass. 11. Orientation program on computer maintenance, 20 hour, 10th pass. 12 orientation program on tele with GST 20 hour 12 pass. 13 orientation program on data science 20 hours 12th pass. 14 orientation program on HTML 20 hours 10th pass. 15 orientation program on Python 20 hours 10th pass. 16 3D Mix Pro 40 hours 12th pass. 17 digital marketing 40 hours 12th pass. 18 workshop on solar business 20 hours graduate. 19 industrial automation 40 hours BTech diploma in BTech. 20 industry 4.0 40 hours diploma BTech. 21 internet of things 40 hours diploma BTech. 22 Arduino based embedded system 40 hours deep BTech. 23 CCTV installation 40 hour 10th pass. 24 basic solar energy 40 hour 10th pass. 25 LED light assembling 40 hour 10th pass. 26 basic electrician 40 hour 10th pass. 27 electrical vehicles charging solution 40 hour 10th pass. 28 assistant beauty therapist 250 hours पढ़ने लिखने की क्षमता. 29 असिस्टेंट हेयर स्टाइल 3 आवर्स पढ़ने लिखने की क्षमता. 30 डाटा साइंस यूजिंग पैथॉन 30 आवर्स डिप्लोमा बीटेक. 31 गूगल टूल्स फॉर एवरीवन 30 आवर्स एनी स्टूडेंट्स वर्किंग professional. 32 introduction to CNC programming 20 hour 10th pass. 33 VMC programming using G code and M code 20 hour 10th pass. 34 advanced macro programming for CNC lathe or VMC 20 hour 10th pass. 35 HVAC fundamentals and basics 20 hours ITI or experience. 36 engineering drawing 30 hour 10th pass. 37 maintenance fitter 20 hours 10th pass. 38 PCB and circuit designing 20 hours 12th pass. 39 application of IoT in solar energy 20 hours 12th pass. 40 industry 20 hours 12th pass. 41 training on EPA BX and line testing 20 hour 12th pass. 42 Android app development using Kotlin 40 hours 12 plus programming knowledge. 43 office automation and e-governance 40 hours 12 pass. 44 JavaScript 40 hours 12 pass. Thank you very much for watching your video.